Okay, so today we're just going to look at Zoom and the doorbell function and co-host and maybe even waiting room too. And so I've got Jacqueline. Thank you, Jacqueline, for joining us to demonstrate these functions. So it should be a bit of fun. So first of all, what I'll just show you is this little link down the bottom. This is next to your chat box. Now, if you need to open your chat box, you have to click on this little link here. So that's just how you open and close that. And then if you scroll down to the bottom corner here where it says more, you can see that it's got play, enter, exit chime sound. This is your doorbell function that you will see or hear when somebody comes in. Now, if you don't turn this on, there will be a little prompt for you to let the person in, but you may not realize it's there. The other option, of course, is to have this window open so you can see. So Jacqueline is going to join. But before I do that, I'll just show you how to make somebody a co-host. So same thing, more, and then make co-host. So that's how you would make a student or another teacher a co-host. And also do a few other different things here, put into waiting room, that sort of thing. Okay, Jacqueline, do you want to join as your other... And so that should pop up in a second. And we just heard that, and we also flicked across. So I'm just going to click admit. And so you heard that little chime. And so when Jacqueline actually leaves, you would also hear another chime, but it's a different sound. So Jacqueline's just going to leave that one, and we can see what happens. And you hear that little sound. So yeah, just to go over that again. So if you want to turn on or check that it's on, play, enter, exit chime, it's there. If you want to be able to allow somebody to become a co-host, it's there. And we'll make another video which is about the waiting room. So there's also an option to not waiting rooms, sorry, breakout rooms, which is this one there. But that'll be our next video to come up, and maybe Jacqueline wants to join me with that one. We could become a bit of a team here, I think. Okay, thanks a lot. And if you need any help, just contact me at sdheskip@luac.edu.hk, or you can check out the LA EdTech Google site. Take care. Bye.